What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but today we are heading out to a cool Lexus only event where it's actually Lexus coupes only. So, you know, RCs, LCs, maybe some SCs will be there, and any other Lexus coupes that have been created. So right now we're going to meet up with Frank with the RCF and Steve with the LC500 and Alfredo with the LC500. So join us on this journey, our first video 2026. Let's go have some fun. All right, here's the lineup with us. You got me,
What's up, man?
Frank, got Alfredo here, infrared LC convertible. Then we got Steve, as you know it, orange convertible. All right, we're on the road with the boys. Be a nice quick drive to the event, about 14 minutes. That's cool. We got LCs, all different colors, cruising together. 2 convertibles, 2 coupes. Some windows down action before we head up to the event. I almost got the wrong one in because what did I put in then? All right, so we'll start off on this side. Got some RCFs here, a bagged RC 350, I'm assuming, track edition, red RCF. And we got some LCs over here, a white one, gray convertible, one of the organizers, the back red LC, a white LC. Coming over here, red RC, blue RCF, white RC, caviar RC, another RC over here. In the back we got our crew from San Diego. Got this convertible red, blue, me, some more RCs, an LC here, Steve's car, Frank's car, red RC, the Valvetronic exhaust, red LC, gray RC, nice infrared RCF. The other organizer here, this fade to blue wrap, Another RCF. RC. Yeah, so it's a good turnout. Then we're doing a drive after this as well. And then off with this white LC. Oh, sorry. Ultrasonic blue LC with the white interior. Now this one has too much white for me. I don't know if I could ever have this much white in the car. I'll just stick with the white seats in my car. And across the way, we got white RC, red RCF, another RC. The San Diego folks I knows. I'm a duck under Steve's camera. Got a 10th anniversary. The homie from AZ. Molten Pearl always looking good. Lastly, another RC. Alright, so this portion, we're actually all going on a drive together. So we'll see how this all works out. This is going to be chaos leaving Lexus El Cajon. Yeah, it's I think it's a 20-mile drive, they said. Up to some Vista Point. Oh yeah, there it is. Alpine Vista Point. lined up, taking some photos here at one of the scenic stops. Cars getting lined up.
Parked on this side.
See it's still coming in from the highway. Yeah, get these photos, and then I think we're back on the road to just go get something to eat at some barbecue spot around here. But yeah, super cool event, cool drive. Took up 3 lanes on the highway so we get some more photos, so those will be coming out. We'll get those shortly, hopefully. Yeah, cool event. I think they're doing a little bit of video stuff now. Man, we got a lot of cars here. Super cool turnout. Or I think it's either videos or photos that they're taking right now on the way to the barbecue place. I'm not gonna eat there though. Guess I'll stop and then head back with Frank. Casual drive. Good old downshifts. LC overtaking the RC, damn. Do a little windows up driving. Kind of took up all the parking in the front and in the back as well. There are more cars. You see, we're just making parking at this point. I'm parked out there on the street. But yeah, this will be the end of the meet and little cruise together. Super fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time. Peace. I guess we'll end looking at Frank's Fuji Speedway edition. Forged carbon on the bottom, regular weave carbon on the top, and that's OEM hood. Yeah, Frank thinks he's so cool. Anyways, yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.